Okere mwega mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV ni Gavoshia mwanya ni gukorwo gitwihoka tuko tugikumenyithia maria mabinabe na kuhanika thiini wa bururi na ni mwihoko wakawa na watidia vayo muthenya wa umuthi tariki 13 mweri wa gatano mwaka wa 2026 ona ibwe mwena uyu twivangayo na twatinda wega tugikuhaririria mohoro maya jetagwo Maureen Wanjiru na kemwabiriri na njira ya shiko etagwo Wabui mohoro-ini. Minister wa urimi Mutahi Kagwe nyakinyitie mbere ya bunge ya gĩbũrũri na gutariria na gwitariria maige megie kana gutariria megie igoti ria macani na riria rikinyanirio hari thuguri ya cai riu murimi akiedia kahua gake nja wa bũrũri akarihira igoti na gicunje kia inyanya hari igana oho na aria marakorwo makigura kuma wanja wa bũrũri makarihira na igoti ria gicunje kia igana. Kagwe ateteire riandikithia riu na kuga mubango ucio ndwakinyanirio uhinyiririe murimi ende ni kuiga cai wa Kenya thoko-ini ya kimabũrũri.
And it seems to be coming through right round, and I'm happy that even further clarification will come to you because the T-Boat CEO Willie Mutai is here with us as well as the PS, and they will expand on that. But Mr. Chairman, in fact all these things are related. What the Vice Chairman has asked about the pricing, the issue of the levy, the issue of Pakistan, all those things are interrelated, and I'll tell you how.
Tugibie na mbere na riboti yo igi Mutahi Kagwe ni uko kimiamukira na njira njiviranu mohoro-ini maitu ma thaa ithatu. Tugibie na mbere anyititemi arunyanjara rwa gubaitiranya mucia githaka rwa Lewa ni magomithanetie amemba a bodi a thukuru itiganite kuma mwena wa Buri, Isiolo na county ya Laikipia. Magomanite nigo makoma kimahe githomo hari gukinyaniria utongoria mwega mathukuru-ini. Githomo kiu ni gukinyaniria kuhotithia arutani kuramata kigina gia thukuru na waragania ondu mena gukinyaniria mitugo miega kuri arutwo gatagata-ini ka mangi.
Sisi ni wahifadhi wa wanyama wa porini na zaidi tunafanya maendeleo ambayo imeweza kushikanishwa na uhifadhi, na ndiposa siku ya leo tumeleta pamoja mashule 31 ikiwa imeleta viongozi wao ambao ndio wanaongoza wale board of managers, na pia tumesaidiwa na Ministry of Education, tuko na wao ili tukaweze kuwa na mazungumzo jinsi ambavyo tutakaweza kumanage shule zetu hizi za msingi na za zingine ili tukaweze kusongesha elimu yetu mbele kwa eneo hii yetu ya Buri. Na kwetu tukiwa Lewa Wildlife Conservancy tunapofanya huo uhifadhi na tukiwa tuko na washikadau partners wengi, tuna miradi mingi ambayo inafanya maendeleo wananchi, kwa watoto, kwa kina mama, kwa wazee na hata kwa wanarika ambao ni youth. Na ndiposa education program ni moja ambayo inasaidia katika hiyo mwongozo.
Tumeangalia tukaona kweli tumejenga mashule, tumepeana bursaries, tumeweka maji huko, tumeweka fences, lakini bado performance haikuji vizuri. Watoto hawafanyi vizuri. So tukakuja pamoja na viongozi. Wiki iliyopita tulikuwa na principals wote na deputy principals wote. Tukakuwa na wiki moja ya kikao na wao, na wiki hii tuko hapa na board of management, wale ambao ni wa managers wa hizo shule. Na kati ya yale mambo ambayo tunaangalia ni maendeleo kutoka kwa upande wa masomo. Tunaulizana kwa nini masomo yetu inaenda chini, kwa nini tunaona ni wanafunzi wachache ambao wanaperform vizuri, na tunaweka mikakati ambayo itasaidia masomo kuongezeka na kwenda juu.
Sisi kama Wizara ya Elimu tunashukuru Lewa Conservancy kwa kazi mzuri wanafanya. Tuko pamoja na wao, waendelee kusaidia mashule zetu, waendelee kutupatia msaada ya resources na kuchunga mashule, na tutashirikiana pamoja na wao.
Out of the engagement that you have had here, I want to assure you that this area will have better results.
When we go from here, we are going to implement and produce good results. Not only that, Lewa, they are providing us training on conservation of our environment.
It has been a very impactful training because board members have been empowered on their roles. They have been enlightened on what is their loss in schools and how can they help the schools to improve in academic performance.
Tugitigana icio tuhudikire ciigie urimi kwa ihinda iraya arimi kuma gitaro-ini kia ithũĩro ria bũrũri makoretwo makimambira ũboco wao wa oro mũthenya kwetukira urimi wa igwa no riu makiria ma arimi 2,000 kaunti ya Kakamega ni mahundukire hari urimi wa kahua no ria maugite uri na faita nene. Kambuni ya KPCU ikoretwo ikihe arimi acio githomo hari urimi wa kahua o hamwe na kumahe mĩũngũryo ya kuhanda.
Sisi kama wakaaji wa Ikolomani tutaipanda kwa wingi kwa sababu tumejua faida ambayo itatoka kwa hii kahawa itatuwezesha kusomesha watoto wetu na kulinda familia zetu ili tuanze kuerevuka sana na hii mambo ya kahawa. Kwa hivyo ningependa tu wale ambao hawajajiandikisha kwa kahawa wakuja wajiandikishe na wachukue kahawa kwa wingi kwa sababu iko na faida nyingi sana huko mbeleni. Mahindi na maharagwe na hiyo ilikuwa inatuwezesha tu sasa kutumia kwa mahitaji ya nyumbani, lakini sasa kahawa utaweza kusave hizo pesa na unatumia kulipa fees ama kufanyia miradi ingine nyingi yenye inaweza kufaidisha familia yako.
Na najua hii kahawa itawasaidia kwa upana sana na ningependa waweze kuendelea kutengeneza mashamba ili tuzidi kuwaletea kahawa.
Kwa sababu watu wamekuwa kipanda mahindi na mahindi jakuwa ikiwasaidia sana kwa upande wa fedha. Mtu anapanda eka moja ya mahindi anapata kunia 12, kunia 10 na imekuwa ni changamoto katika maisha yetu maana tunahitaji hata fedha kwa ajili ya matumizi yetu. Kwa hivyo leta hiyo initiative kwetu na tumeona watu wameimpress sana hilo jambo la kupanda kahawa. Ikolomani tumeweza kuwa na wakulima zaidi ya 2,000.
Tulijivunia maneno ya kahawa zaidi ya kiasi. Watu walipendelea kahawa kuliko cash crop nyingine. Lakini management ambayo ilipewa mamlaka ya kupokea hii kahawa ndio ilifanya avita kupuuza maneno ya kahawa na hata kung'oa.
Tugatigana icio ciĩgiĩ urimi tuthie kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia o ciĩgiĩ urimi. Arimi a Vikimu ya Sorio kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia na aria kwa ihinda iraya makoretwo makigumirwo nĩ riũa inene na ng'aragu. Rĩu nĩ makenereire tabarĩra ya wenji wa marima ma maĩ na gũcoka gũtambĩrio maĩ mĩciĩ-inĩ yao kũhetũkĩra hinya wa sora. Rĩu arimi Vikimu-inĩ ĩyo rĩu nĩ marahĩte ũrĩa tabarĩra ĩyo yarahũrĩte tabarĩra cia ũrĩmi o hamwe na gũkeneria tabarĩra cia ũhandi wa mĩtĩ nĩguo magĩage na mbura ya kũigana.
Na nimefurahia hii project vile Habitat waliingia hapa, walitusaidia wakatufunza kupanda miti na pia wakatupatia backup hadi mbegu, tukaweza kupanda mbegu alafu tukatoa miti. Kwa hivyo sasa hiyo miti tumepanda na ukiangalia environment yetu iko na miti sana, na tarajio yetu ni wakati tutakuwa tukitoka hapa tuwe na forest imejaa hapa, ndio tushade our village, tuwe na mvua, tuwe na chakula ya kutosha, juu watu wakiwa na miti wako na mvua.
As part of our climate change adaptation and resilience building project in Laikipia, and the communities in Solio have been partnering with Habitat for Humanity for the last 3 years to implement climate adaptation actions that help the community to build resilience. And today, agroforestry and tree planting that we are promoting is one of those activities. We planted over 20,000 seedlings, both fruit trees and indigenous trees, so that then we can increase the tree cover in Solio.
And we are here at Solio Village 3, which is called Bahati region, to plant trees. We have partnered with Habitat for Humanity Kenya to run this project. As Lions, we are partners.
tumekuwa tukipanda spinach na spinach tumekuwa tukizipeleka kwa soko nje ya Suria. Tumekuwa tukizipeleka kwa hii hotel kubwa ya Beisa. We have been selling those spinach for a while and wamekuwa wakitununulia na bei yenye iko sawa. It has improved our group because hiyo pesa tulikuwa tunapata hatukuwa tunapata ya kuuza spinach, yenye tulikuwa tunaunganisha ya kikundi tunafanya kitu, lakini kutokana na hii mradi ya Habitat tumekuwa tukiuza spinach na vitunguu na hoho, tumeweza kuelekezwa na Habitat kwenye tutakuwa tukiuza.
Hii mradi umekuwa manufaa sana kwa sababu umeleta chakula karibu na jamii. Tunakuza zile variety. Ukiangalia maharagwe ambayo tunakuza ni ile certified. Tunakuza nyota, tunakuza yellow bean, tunakuza ile spinach ambayo inahitajika.
Na pia wanasaidia mpaka mashule, wamewajengea machoo na wanapanda miti pia mpaka huko kwa shule. Area imeanza kubadilika.
Nanima arimi kuma munosho wa thorio ni anyotoku kuna ne mahotete kugia na urimi wa irio itiganite na kunina ngaragu mwena ucio. Tugivie na mbere kambuni
We have made a deliberate attempt to be part of the bigger initiative to plant 15 billion trees in the country by the year 2032. As a corporation, we have already planted more than 226,000 trees, and we are glad to be part of the Mau complex. We are here at Satellite, which is in the Kericho forest. We are planting a lot of trees today. Environment is a key aspect of society, and that's why as a corporation, we've already visited a number of other areas, including Embu and Nakuru, the Mau complex, other areas. We have also been to Sorget, and we are now here in Kericho. And we truly want to collaborate and partner with the Community Forest Association, the Kenya Forest Services, to ensure that the bigger agenda for the country and globally is achieved by the year 2032 for Kenya. We are able to support this tree planting initiative, which is actually very critical for society. Humanity, we all know that actually it is from these trees, the forest, that we are able to attract a lot of rainfall.
Today we are here on the exercise of tree planting stroke growing together with the KDIC. They have been our great stakeholders when it comes to tree planting, and this year I have a target of achieving 100 hectares. As you see here, we are doing what we call plantation establishment and livelihood improvement scheme, where the communities are brought on board to participate in cultivation of crops, and in long term they are able to get income.
Here in Kericho Forest Station, we are targeting to plant 100 hectares, and lucky enough they've given us a number of seedlings, which partly it will be enough for the 100 hectares.
Mwirorari na nĩ ngabo tugetigana na riboti yo tukamba gwikiria o hanini nĩ tuko tugicokereria na mohoro mangĩ.
Ino nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mimi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi, njoo na mimi twende Kemuma Engineering System. Kwa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwainĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge The Kingdom thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 8 nginya thaa 10. Ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka The Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ, nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ. Ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro The Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco.
Irikana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwainĩ nginya thaa 5 cia ũtukũ. Wanake waku ndũkaiywo tondũ cia wone nyingĩ ĩthiendaga kaga ya muoyo. Mũirĩtu waku ndũkaiywo tondũ cia wone nyingĩ ĩthiendaga kaga ya muoyo.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, Kihumo Gĩtikĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho mwĩroreri na nĩ twacokereria ikerekeria kĩrĩ na ngunyitio geni mohoro-inĩ maitũ ma gabiro ba ĩmwe cia hwainĩ. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere harĩ riboti ĩrathiĩ na mbere na gũtekinyĩra nĩ atĩ mũcirithania wa igoti Tũgĩru Njoki Ndung'u rĩu nĩ arugũrĩtie kĩoneki gĩake gĩa gũthurwo ta mũcirithania igoti-inĩ rĩa kĩmabũrũri rĩa ICC. Ndung'u agathĩrĩirie thirikari ya Kenya nĩ ũndũ wa kũmwĩhoka na kwĩrutĩra kũmũhũrĩra ndebe mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ. Nĩ atarĩirie ũmenyo wake wa watho na ũrĩa atanyĩte gwĩka igoti-inĩ rĩu rĩa kĩmabũrũri mbere ya mũtongoria wa bũrũri gatagatĩ-inĩ ka acirithania angĩ. Riboti ĩno nĩ ũkũgĩthiĩ na mbere na kũmĩamũkĩra mohoro-inĩ maitũ ma thaa 3 na njĩra njithĩranu. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere Rĩu mwandĩki mũkaru wa ngwatanĩro ya gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika Caroline Karugo nĩ atongoretie mĩhang'o ya ũhandi wa mĩtĩ gĩcigo-inĩ bunge kĩa Mbũri mũtitũ-inĩ wa Mũrĩma Kenya kaunti-inĩ ya Meru. Rĩu kaunti ya Meru nĩ hotete gũkinyanĩria kũhanda mĩtĩ milioni 3.5 kuga maratanya kuhanda mĩtĩ milioni 5 nĩguo gũbaitĩra marĩa matũrigicĩirie. Maabitha agũbaitĩra marĩa matũrigicĩirie kaunti-inĩ ĩyo maugĩte mahandĩte mĩtĩ ya ũndũire ya gĩcunjĩ kĩa 90% na kũhanda mĩtĩ ya biacara na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 10%.
Hapa Meru kwa shughuli ya upanzi wa miti. Na nataka kusema kwanza, this is a presidential directive for all of us in government to take advantage of these long rains to plant trees for the sake of the sustainability of our dear nation. The State Department of the East African Community Affairs has been directed by His Excellency the President to take on an accelerated tree planting in the counties of Meru and Busia. And I want to say here in Meru alone, the State Department has been able to plant a little over 3.5 million trees. The target that His Excellency the President has given me is 5 million trees.
Wananchi wa Meru, jambo la kwanza ambalo nataka kuambia ni kongole, kwa sababu wao tunahubiria watu ambao tayari waliokoka. Wananchi wa Meru wanapenda kupanda miti na wako na bidii ya kupanda miti. Kwa hivyo ni kuwahimiza tu waendelee kuhakikisha kwamba wanatumia msimu huu wa masika, kuhakikisha kwamba wanazidi kupanda miti, kwa sababu hata hiyo miti yao inaongeza idadi ya miti.
Hapa Meru kufikia sasa tuko na 12.8% forest cover, lakini tree cover tuko na over 29% na tunaendelea na kuendeleza. Mwaka huu tukisaidiwa na idara mbalimbali na tukiongozwa na idara ya Afrika Mashariki, tumepanda zaidi ya vile County Commissioner amesema. Sasa tunaelekea milioni 62, tukiwa ni kama sisi tunaongoza katika jamhuri kama county kwa upanzi wa miti. Hafla ya leo tulianza jana na tutapanda miti 51,000 na zaidi, na sasa hapa tupo kwa area hii hapa tutapanda miti 11,000. Kwa hii tunaita plantation marani ya 6K. Hapa ninaendeleza hii tu kama plantation.
The carbon credit system in the Republic of Kenya hasn't truly taken the shape that it should, and I know that there are players who are working very hard to ensure that it takes shape. But the idea with carbon credits is because of tree growing. Tree growing lessens the carbon footprint of any country. As you would know, the Republic of Kenya and many African countries are affected by matters of the environment disproportionately.
Tuongoze watu vizuri kupanda miti.
Na mwiroreri ni ngabo makiria ni uko gituhuka na mathaa maku tuko tugikumenyithia maria mathiete na mbere na kuhanika thiini wa bururi. Na riboti yo kuma mwena ucio wa Meru mwena wa Mburi ni tuko tugitiha nayo mohoro maitu ma thaa imwe gabiru. Mohoro mangi ni ona ciehanda thaa 3 tugie na kireko na tuko tugicokeria tubina mbere na kumenyithia mangi maingi na maria mabina mbere na gukunuka mwena uyu wa Kiheo TV. Ni ngabo tuma na mundu gwitwo Rori wa Bui ari mwabiriria na njira ya shiko. Nie njitagwo Maureen Wanjiru twakwendiviria wiroreri mwega wa tabarĩra cia Kiheo TV.